Alright guys, I upgraded my setup, which is probably something I should have done. Put a cardboard box. I may or may not have painted the chair blue. But so I got this all done in here. I started to paint the outside blue, and then I realized that this lip needs to be black too, so I'm gonna let that thoroughly dry. And then I'm gonna take some masking tape and just mask it off so I don't get any paint inside. So I'm gonna let it thoroughly dry. Cause I literally just sprayed it right before I took this video. And then, ignoring the black, you can kind of see the blue, and it's gonna look really good. I think all of this done. The bottom, the lid, and the other thingamabob that I don't really know what it's called. That comes off right here. It's gonna look really good on that car. That engine bay is gonna be tits. Because you guys saw recently that we painted the engine bay with the satin black. And the engine's painted, it's been painted. The car is currently at paint, so when that gets back from paint, we're gonna throw everything in it. It's gonna look factory. It's gonna look even better than factory. So this is gonna turn out pretty good. I'm really liking this car.